Hello mga kudoks. So this is one of the saddest part. So we're currently here in the train station and my wife is leaving for Exeter. Hello mga kudoks. So now is the day that we will go to Scotland in Edinburgh. So my workplace is just 20 minutes from Edinburgh and my wife will be with me there to help me transfer all my things. So this will be a long journey. It's a 7 to 8 hours journey going to Edinburgh. Hi guys, we're already here in Edinburgh and we're waiting for our train. How are you feeling now?
Sad, but there's nothing I can do.
Yeah, it's sad. It didn't sink in right away to us that we will be apart, but we will make things work even though we're apart.
We make things worse.
Not worse, work. So in the next months, there will be a lot of LDR stories and also a lot of updates on my work and your work. Welcome guys to Edinburgh, Scotland. So this is the central of Scotland and there will be plenty of adventure here with me and her.
My big pouch.
And also my travel back to Exeter from time to time. So guys, we already arrived here in Livingston. It's around 20 minutes train from Edinburgh. And now we're looking for my accommodation. So it's a 20-minute walk from the Livingston North station to my accommodation. So my accommodation is just small guys. It's just a spare room. So don't expect too much. What can you say? So someone help us.
Oh,
Welcome to our new home, our second home. So this is the place where I will work guys as a doctor. Finally, this is it. This is it, Pansit. So mga kodoks, it's still 3:30 in the afternoon and it's already getting dark here in Scotland. And baby will be spending Christmas here in Edinburgh.
I don't know what happened. So, yesterday, one of our band sixes was talking to me about how will I spend my Christmas, and I told her that I will be alone because my husband will be in here in Scotland. I was so shocked. So, I'm just happy. I'm half-hearted, but I'm still happy. So, now I can spend Christmas with my
With
husband.
me.
And next month we'll find a way. I already booked a ticket. It's for those.
So guys, we will take this long distance relationship. No, semi LDR month by month. Guys, we're already here in our accommodation. Welcome. How is it?
It's alright. Yeah, you have a small room, but
I'm the
I have
only
a
one
lovely
living here.
picture here.
Yeah, there's a lovely painting.
Oh, you have a
I love-
painting, but I don't.
A lovely mirror. A
Let's
lamp.
close it for a while. Yeah,
And there's a lovely view.
Can you get that one?
So guys, we're doing grocery shopping. So we already saw the house and we saw the owner of the house. And the good news is that he will be transferring me to another room.
Which is closer to the hospital.
Yeah.
I think it's nicer and the bedroom is much bigger.
Yes, I'm gonna show it to you later.
Yeah. Ay, old. Ang sweet and lang.
I'm so touched. My wife is still doing my grocery shopping for me. Thank you, B. So I will just be buying at least 2 days of groceries because she will still be here tomorrow, and I will be transferring to that new house. But from the original house that I'm renting, he will be transferring me to another house which is near the hospital. So guys, we just finished our grocery shopping. So we spent 111 pounds today because we bought a lot of things, like just basic things for the kitchen and for my new accommodation. And now before we go home, so we're not cooking at home, so we are currently here in Subway and we're buying food for our dinner. Hello guys, we're doing our last minute shopping before BB goes back to Exeter. Thank you, babe. Hello mga kudoks. So this is one of the saddest part. So we're currently here in the train station and my wife is leaving for Exeter. So hopefully everything will be okay, but we will see each other on Christmas Eve. She will be here in Scotland. So one of the saddest moments of being an OFW or an overseas worker here in a foreign country, because sometimes you need to be apart because of job reasons, employment reasons. So I can't do anything about it because I had a job here, I got a job here. Although I'll tell you some twist in the story about my job employment here in my next vlogs. So my wife will still be in England, but it's okay. We can do it. We can do it. So we're just waiting here in the train station, guys. It's very cold here. Lonely. See you in our next vlog, mga kudoks. Bye.